understanding the healing all comes from you, the same way it would come from other individuals individually. And so you now know that you do not need validation from anybody because you validate your own self, which is so powerful, so much more powerful than anybody could value you. Because what's happening inside is also happening outside. So you now understand the energy that you possess within is what you're going to push out. And so what you get back is the energy you have given because you need to give to receive in whatever form. So if you send out good, positive, clean energy, you will get back good, positive, clean energy. And so pushing out negative, rotten, stink, ungrateful energy, you will only get that back in return. It's a learning curve, it's a growth, it's a manifestation, it's a forgiveness, it's a love, it's a purity, it's peace, it's prosperity. And the only way for you to exude that energy is to first have the energy and build up the energy within you. And so you can then push that energy out. And so that energy comes back to you and it also spreads out into the atmosphere as well. So not only are you contributing to self, you're contributing to the environment, including other human beings, including animals, nature. So to look at the grand scheme of things, if everybody was pushing out that energy at the forefront, it would be a much pleasant, a much more loving place to be. Like that. But it starts within you. So if you have to strip bare, I don't mean physically, I mean spiritually, internally, strip everything down and analyze everything and assess everything and look, take a closer look at everything, analyze everything about yourself and try and get to the root of where habits, thought patterns, and things like that have stemmed from. Could it be the company you keep? Could it be your environment? Could it be bad habits? Could it be childhood trauma? Whatever it is, you can get to the root, you can heal and love that part of you and transmute that negative energy in. So you can also heal yourself internally and heal those around you, including the environment. And so it's positive, positive, positive all across the board. And so not only will you attract that energy, not only will you attract like-minded people also vibrating on that energy and frequency, you will also heal and project out that healing energy to others. Okay. So if you have to clean up your diet, if you have to change your friends that you hang around with, if you have to change your environment, if you have to go to bed at an earlier time, if you have to start doing some research on how the mind works, how the body works, and all these things, then that's what you have to do. It's the work has to go in. Okay, we have to put the work in order to see some sort of progression. We have to put the work in and do the work, do the due diligence, and honor and value thyself. It's all good believing and knowing thyself, but do you value yourself internally? And so it's a beautiful time. It's a time of the uprising of the spirit, a time of nurture, a time of loving and knowing the value in yourself, a time of walking in the walk, a time of doing what it is you preach and long for in the most best interests of yourself and those around you. To get to a point where you don't need any validation whatsoever, okay? You don't need nobody or nothing to make you feel as though you are alive, to make you feel like you're worth it. It that has to come from you. You have to know that, okay? It's about knowing your value and knowing your value even if nobody else knows your value, sees your value, appreciates your value. The way you will know your value through and through, inside and out, you will not give two rats asses about anybody's undervalue, about anybody's opinion, about anybody's outlook, because in the midst of your growth, you now understand that it's there for everybody.